Hi, I'm Nitya Sukumar. I'm going to talk about the introduction of the Facebook. So, what is Facebook? Facebook is a social networking service and online community built up of millions of users all around the world. Users can customize their personal profile with all kinds of information from their employment history to their favorite food. They can search for other users and add them as friends, send private messages, add photos and videos, create groups, and more. Facebook also has a knock for bringing businesses and brands to the front of people's minds through Facebook pages, groups, customized polls and applications, and highly specific advertising capabilities. Businesses can attract and interact with potential customers. There's no indication Facebook's expansive influence will be having anytime soon. This popular website is at the forefront of booming technology, society, and business. It's a must-see phenomenon. You can't afford to miss it. How Facebook started, grew, and became 138 billion company. Mark Zuckerberg's father, Edward, taught him Atari basic computer programming, which he became very adept at. As he grew into a young man and had turned down two of the biggest technology companies in the world, Zuckerberg headed off to Harvard in 2002. 1 year later, Zuckerberg attracted his first big controversy in October 2003 when he created and published FaceMesh, a website that let Harvard students judge the attractiveness of each other to create rankings similar to the Hot or Not site that launched in 2000. As he didn't actually get permission to use student photos, unsurprisingly, men were not happy with his work. However, within a few hours, the site had seen 22,000 photo views from 450 visitors, but within a few days, it was shut down. Zuckerberg was hauled in front of the Harvard administration board for breaching individual privacy. With the risk of exploitation on the table, the board finally decided to let him stay. After a public apology, he moved on from his first brush with authority and set his sights on his next project. Being inspired by a statement on Harvard Crimson about FaceMesh, stating it is clear that the technology need to create the centralized website is readily available, the benefits are many. Mark went to create Facebook. He started writing codes for Facebook in January 2004. He launched the Facebook located at the facebook.com in February 2004. With a slightly different name, the platform was familiar. It had a profile where you could upload a photo, share your interests, and connect with other people. And accordingly to Mark's Dustin Moskovitch, the site had 1,250 registrations. Within 24 hours, 6 days after the release of the site, Harvard seniors Cameron Winklevoss, Tyler Winklevoss, and Divya Narayana accused Zuckerberg of designing them. Zuckerberg had previously worked on similar projects within them but eventually quit in order to design the Facebook. The company was incorporated in summer 2004 and Sean Parker, an entrepreneur who was informal advisor, was made the company's president. After buying the domain facebook.com from About Facebook Corporation for $200,000, the company removed from its name in April 2005. In May 2005, Facebook received investments of $12.7 million from Nissel and $1 million from the personal fortune of venture capitalist Jim Breyer. The same year, Microsoft announced that it acquired 1.6% shares worth $240 million, giving Microsoft the right to place international adverts on Facebook. So here are the conclusion of the Facebook. Facebook is one of the most famous social networks. Facebook is a relatively secure social networking site with controls in place to protect privacy and appropriate content. Users should be aware of what they post in terms of privacy and the intent and purpose of Facebook. Facebook has both positive and negative impacts on the users depending on how the users uses it. If we see the positive impacts, we can catch up with our friends and the latest gossip. We can upload our photos and videos, and also we can stay connected with our loved ones and friends all around the world. And then the negative impacts can neglecting and avoiding their friends and family, and instead of spending quality time with them, possible to diminish people's communication skills.